I'm gonna try to feed her a cracker. I'm gonna get her to walk. Put her back over here in the corner.
She's doing fine. But I'm sure that when you offer them some crackers, there you go.
You better clean those up, Mama.
They'll be in here cleaning the floors before the name's over. Don't tell anybody.
What, you think I'm gonna feed you?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
She's been pigging out in the front and look at her.
This is our chicken with the broken leg. Looking at that leg right there. That's the one that is pinned. You really can't see the pins anymore because they're covered by feathers, but that's a good thing. Anyway, we are walking great. Our callus is excellent. Looks like they've gotten Mom to slow down on her egg production just long enough to fix a bone.
Super calcium. Super calcium blend.
And she's still laying?
Yes.
Well, you can't keep a good woman down.
We're giving her crushed eggshell. Lauren blends it up in a special feed. So everything she eats has crushed eggshell. Yeah, Fatty. He's so curious. He's so curious.
Oh, there's metal in there. See my sexy piercings? Look.
I'm just going to take it back for a while. Did you see what I put on the intake? Leg irons. Is it time to take the leg irons off?
And here's our callus.
Wait, come back here.
Looking excellent.
Wait, she's escaping. She's escaping.
No! More good callus. The pins are ready to come out. We're going to schedule this and get this one done as soon as we can. All right, later.